Well, hello. So today we're looking at the Honda Stand up close for 2024 Motorcycle Live. So this is the Honda CMX 500 SE Rebel. That's a bit of a mouthful. 45 horsepower. This is, think of it as like a cruiser. It's going to offer really good MPG and pretty decent performance. It's just a parallel twin. The gold wheels look pretty good. Wiring loom looks well insulated. Everything looks pretty good. Controls are very simple. So here you only have a small TFT-like screen, stylish though, and dip beam, main beam, horn, indicators, starter, kill switch. Fuel cap is easy to get to. This is a comfortable bike for doing miles on, and you've got a pretty comfortable seating position as well. So pretty good. Nice place to be. There's no wind protection. If wind protection bothers you, don't buy a naked bike. You're wasting your time. Why don't you buy a naked bike? The seat is pretty comfortable and nice detailing as well. The rear seat is pretty well padded, and you've got LED rear indicators, LED front indicators, and LED headlight. So this is the Honda Transalp. Think of this as a Honda that's designed to cross the Alps, cross countries. It's only about 90 horsepower. It's a parallel twin. You do have anti-lock brakes, which is good, and LED lights. Big panniers down here. Big top box here. Good colour scheme. And then you got an LCD screen which pretty much tells you gear, fuel, RPM, miles per hour, simple switch gear, nothing really special here. A decent feel from them. Blown away. They got like a top bag here. Paint finish feels pretty good. It's pretty soft. And a lot of wind protection. A lot of wind protection. You do a lot of miles on this, and it will be cheap to run and cheap to insure. Thanks for watching. It was pretty interesting to see what Honda are up to, and Honda make a motorcycle for everything. Thanks for
Until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. I was alive, go wandering far, until I found a lighthouse, guiding me out the door.
time for a cup of tea.